Atami is a city located in Shizuoka Prefecture, Japan. As of the 1st of May 2019, the city had an estimated population of 36,865 in 21,593 households and a population density of 600 persons per square kilometer. The total area of the city is 61.78 square kilometers. Atami is located in the far eastern corner of Shizuoka Prefecture at the northern end of Izu Peninsula. The city is on the steep slopes of a partially submerged volcanic caldera on the edge of Sagami Bay. The name, Atami, literally means hot ocean, a reference to the town's famous onsen hot springs. The city boundaries include the offshore island of Hatsushima. Most of Atami is located within the Fuji-Hakone-Izu National Park, warmed by the Kuroshio Current offshore. The area is known for its moderate maritime climate with hot, humid summers and short winters. Shizuoka Prefecture, Kanagawa Prefecture. Per Japanese census data, the population of Atami has been in slow decline over the past 50 years. The city has a climate characterized by hot and humid summers and relatively mild winters. The average annual temperature in Atami is 15.7 degrees Celsius. The average annual rainfall is 1,968 mm, with September as the wettest month. The temperatures are highest on average in August, at around 26.3 degrees Celsius, and lowest in January, at around 6.1 degrees Celsius. Atami has been known as a resort town centered on its hot springs since the 8th century AD. In the Kamakura period, Minamoto no Yoritomo and Hojo Masako were notable visitors. During the Edo period, all of Izu province was Tenryou territory under direct control of the Tokugawa shogunate. During the cadastral reform of the early Meiji period in 1889, Atami village was organized within Kamo district, Shizuoka. It was elevated to town status on June 11, 1894, and was transferred to the administrative control of Tagata district in 1896. The epicenter of the Great Kanto earthquake in 1923 was deep beneath Izu Oshima Island in Sagami Bay, close to Atami, which suffered considerable damage, as did other municipalities throughout the surrounding Kanto region. The tsunami wave height reached 11 meters at Atami, swamping the town and drowning 300 people. The modern city of Atami was founded on April 10, 1937, through the merger of Atami town with neighboring Taga village. After the proclamation of Atami as an international tourism and culture city by the Japanese government in 1950, the area experienced rapid growth in large resort hotel development. This growth increased after Atami Station became a stop on the Tokaido Shinkansen high-speed train line in 1964. In concert with its famous onsen, Atami was known for its onsen geisha. Atami experienced a considerable decline in popularity as a vacation destination due to the Japanese economic crisis in the 1990s and the associated fall in large group company-sponsored vacations, but is currently experiencing a revival as a commuter town due to its proximity to Tokyo and Yokohama. The Inagawa Kai, third largest of Japan's Yakuza groups, was founded in Atami in 1949 as the Inagawa Gumi by Kakuji Inagawa. The Izu Study and Research Center is a study facility of the Japanese Communist Party, where they hold its annual congress. Following torrential rainfall, a landslide was triggered which swept through part of the city on 3 July 2021, with 20 people missing and 2 feared dead. Atami has a mayor-council form of government with a directly elected mayor and a unicameral city legislature of 15 members. The economy of Atami is heavily dependent on the tourist industry, mostly centered on its hot spring resorts. Commercial fishing is a major secondary industry. Atami has 8 public elementary schools and 4 public junior high schools operated by the city government, and 1 public high school operated by the Shizuoka Prefectural Board of Education. The International University of Health and Welfare, based in Otawara, Tochigi, has a campus in Atami. Atami is twinned with